In this video, the parking sensors have stopped working. First, turn on the ignition without the engine running, select reverse, and there should be a long tone indicating there's a fault. So exit the vehicle, and what you need to do is go up close to each sensor. There should be like a rapid clicking sound. Hear a sound. That one's working. The next one is silent. So this one will probably need to be replaced. The next sensor it just takes one sensor to be faulty and it would stop all the other sensors from working. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.